Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are doing well. So children, see here in that previous video we discussed up to 5 questions, right? So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 6 onwards. So children, see here, if the ratio of angles of a scalene triangle, if the ratio of angles of a scalene triangle is 3:4:8, 3:4:8, then the largest angle is, so children, see here scalene triangle. So we know that scalene triangle is having that different angles. No two angles are same here in that scalene triangle. We know that, right? So we know that sum of all the angles of a triangle, sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. And here ratio of angles, they given that ratio of angles. What they given here? Ratio of angles is 3:4:8. Okay, that is the ratio of those 3 angles. Then the largest angle is, so children, by seeing this one here we can say that 3 angles are there and those 3 angles also in the ratio 3:4:8. So among them, what is the largest angle here? By seeing this one only we can say that 8 parts is having that, which vertex is having that 8 parts, that one only having here greatest angle. Okay, so that's why here greatest angle is equals to, greatest angle is 8 by, here the total parts, so 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, okay, into here what is the total interior angle, sum of total interior angles is 180 degrees, no? So into 180 degrees. Cancellations, 15 months, and here also 15 months 15, and here 30 is there, 15 to 30. Clear? And here 8 into 12 is 12 8s 96 degrees is the greatest angle. Okay, or else if you have any doubt, then you can find that remaining 2 angles also. Okay, so first angle is 3 times there, no? So 3x. Already here 12 is there, so 3 into 12, 3 12s 36 degrees is one of the angle, and the second angle is, what is the second angle? 4x. So 4 into 12 is equals to 48. So totally here 36 and 48, how much more here? 6 plus 8 is 14, and here 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is 84. Okay, 84 plus 96, third angle is 96, which is equals to 180 degrees. So among that 36 degrees, 48 degrees and 96 degrees, what is the greatest angle here? That is 96 degrees. Am I clear, children? Yes. So see here, next 7th question mark. If A gets 5 times as much as B, A gets 5 times as much as B. Next, B gets 4 times as much as C. B gets 4 times as much as C. Then if you divide 1000 rupees among them, what are the shares of A and B? So A and B persons shares we need to find out. Understand? So children, see here 3 persons there, A, B, C. Okay, so A gets 5 times as much as B. So they are comparing that A and B. And here they are comparing that B and C. Okay, so that's why first we have to take that C as X. Next, B is 4 times of C, 4 times of X. Okay, and A is 5 times as much as B. So 5 4s 20x. Understand, ma? Now what they're asking then? If you divide as 1000 rupees, if you divide 1000 rupees among them, then what are the shares of A and B? Understand? So what are the shares here? A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C is 20 is to 4 is to 1. Yes or no? 20x is to 4x is to x, which is equals to x gets cancelled. So 20 is to 4 is to 1. Now what they're asking, the share of A. So A's share is how many parts here? 20 parts, and the total number of parts, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Out of here 1000 rupees. So 25 ones, 25 fours, 100, 0. So 25 40s. Now 20 into 40 is 800 rupees. 20 into 40 is 800 rupees. So A share is 800 rupees. And in the same way, B's share is B share. What is that B share here? That is how many parts now here? 4 parts. Out of 25 parts, and here total money is 1000. So 25 ones and 25 40s. Okay, so 25 fours 100, 25 40s. So 4 into 4 is equals to 16 into 0, which is equals to 160. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16 and 4 into 0 is 0. So that's why keep here 0. So 160 totally. So this is that B share. So which option is correct ma here? 800 and 160. Option C is correct here. Clear children? Yes. So see here 8th question. In a cash box, the ratio of number of 10 rupees notes, number of 10 rupees notes and 20 rupees notes, and in the same way 50 rupees notes are there. Okay, those three are in the ratio 5:3:2. Those three also in the ratio 5:3:2. Okay, now here if the total number of notes is 150 rupees. Now we need to find the value of 10 rupees notes. So first we need to find that how many 10 rupees notes are there. After we need to find that what is the value. Understand? So here 10 rupees notes. How many notes are there? 5 parts. So 5x. Next 20 rupees notes. How many notes are there? 3x. Next 50 rupees notes, how many notes are there? 2x. Understand? So this total number of notes, total notes is 150 notes. Number of notes only 150, not here amount. Total amount not they given here. Total number of notes, all kinds of these 3 kinds of notes, total notes is equals to 150. Okay, so here how many 10 rupee notes are there? We need to find out. How many 10 rupee notes are there? So here 5 by total. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And here how many notes are there totally? 150. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. Okay. 15 5 is 75. 75 10 rupee notes are there. 75 10 rupee notes are there. Now value of 10 rupee notes. Value of 10 rupee notes. How much? 75 10 rupee notes there means 1 10 rupee note is there means its value is 10. 2 10 rupee notes there means 10 plus 10 20. 3 10 rupee notes there means 30. 4 10 rupee notes there means 4 into 10 40. 5 10 rupee notes there means 5 into 10 50. Clear? And in the same way 75 10 rupee notes are there and its value is 750 rupees. Its value is 750 rupees. Which option is correct ma here? Yes, option C is correct, that is 750. Clear? Yes. So see here ma, 9th. Question number 9, what they given here? X is to Y and Y is to Z they given. Now we need to find that X is to Z. Just like that A is to B, B is to C. Now we need to find that A is to B is to C. From that one we need to find A is to C. Clear? So see here ma. What they given here? X is to Y. So X is to Y is 2 and 1 by 3 is to 3 and 1 by 4. And in the same way, Y is to Z is here 5 and half is to 2 and 1 by 4. Just take that same process ma here. XY is to Y square is to YZ. Okay, so apply the same concept here. this is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3 into 2 5s 10, 10 plus 1 11 by 2 is 2. The product of these two values, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4 into here 2 5s 10, 10 plus 1 11 by 2 is 2. Again 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, so 9 by 4. Understand ma? Now here this is the ratio of x is to y is to z. Now they are asking the ratio of x is to z. The ratio of x is to z. Just to take that, consider these two values only. Okay. So what is the first value here? 7 by 3 into 11 by 2 is to 13 by 4 into 9 by 4. These two are the values of x is to z. X is to z only there is no. So just consider that x value and z value. Understand? So from this one, 7 11s 77 by 3 2s 6 is to 39s 117 by 4 4s 16. Okay, that's what they given now here. Options are no need to simplify it. So here which options are correct ma? 77 by 6 and 117 by 16. So option A is true here. Understand? Yes. Children, see that next last question from this worksheet 2, that is the 10th question. What they given? A plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 510, where A is equals to 3b, C is equal to 4b. So children, this is just related to substitution only. Okay, so substitution method, this is easy, so better to write the substitution method. So here A is equal to 3b, no. So A is equal to 3b plus 2b plus here 3 into C is equal to 4b is equal to 510. And here 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5b plus 3 4s 12. So 12b is equal to 510. And here 5b plus 12b is equal to 17b is equal to 510. B is equal to 510 by 17. 17 1, 17 3 is 51, so 30. B is equals to, what is the value ma here? B is equal to 30. B is equal to 30. Okay. Now what they are asking, we need to find that C value here. Then the value of C. So here C is equals to 4B. C is equal to 4 into B is equal to 30. Okay. So 4 into 30, which is equals to 4 3 is 12. What is the value of C here? C is 120 rupee. 120. Okay. That is the number, no. So B is 120. Which option is correct ma here? Option B is correct. So children, these are the questions what they given in that worksheet 2. Okay. So up to here worksheet 2 problems completed. So again we will meet with worksheet 3 problems. Okay. Thank you all.